Hello everyone, I am Vandana Shukla, Master Trainer of Duolingo English Test with VMAS Career Consultants Private Limited. In today's video, I am going to tell you 5 things. Yes, I am going to tell you 5 things that will help you achieve the desired score in Duolingo English Test of 110, 115, and even I have trained students and they have achieved the score of 140, 135, 130 and so on. Okay, the first thing that you will get from us is the live online classes. Yes, you will have access to my live online classes in which I will explain the complete strategy. We work on the examples in the class and we work on what are the various ways to solve a particular item type. Other than this, these classes are actually happening at 2 times in a day, 10 in the morning and 8 in the evening. So student has the freedom to attend both the classes. So let's say you have enrolled with us, you will have access to morning class also and evening class also. It's up to you whichever class you want to attend. Let me also tell you one more thing. There is no limitation for you to attend the number of classes. Yes, it's not a 10 days course, it's not a 15 days course, it's not a 20 days or a month course. It's absolutely depend upon the student how quick they can prepare. So for all these students, once you enroll with us, you can attend the unlimited number of classes till the time you feel that you're ready for the test. The second thing that you get from us is my personal WhatsApp number. Yes, my personal WhatsApp number. And what are you going to do with this? Let's say you have attended a morning session, and after the morning session, now you're preparing on that particular item type or you're preparing on your Duolingo English test. And you come up with a doubt, you come up with a problem and you're not able to solve it. So you can anytime call me, you can say anytime send me a WhatsApp and I'll be there to help you out and I'll be there to assist you. You want your speaking to be evaluated, you want your writing to be evaluated, you want your graded writing, ungraded writing, or you want your describe image writing to be evaluated. Yes, I'll be there to help you out. You can send me your writings. I'll give you a detailed explanation. Where are you going wrong? When I say explanation, your grammar, your punctuation, everything, I'll ensure that you are provided with the right feedback to improve. Now, the third thing that you actually get from us is the study material. Yes, you get the study material from us. The study material consists of the technical part of the question. What are the strategies are required to answer a particular item type, and what are the fundamentals of that particular item type? Is it a adaptive? Is it a non-adaptive? Then is it a graded? Is it a ungraded? So you get a complete details in the part of study material from us. The fourth thing that you get from me is the practice material. Yes, this is the practice material. So now you're preparing yourself on Duolingo English test and it has various item types. So what do you do now? So you get the practice material from me, and this practice material has a USP that it is not just a bunch of questions that is given to you. No, it is divided in 3 parts. Yes, I have divided the practice material in 3 parts, starting from beginner level. So when you're starting preparing yourself, attempt only the beginner level. Once you're doing good in the beginner, then you can move on to the intermediate level and then finally move on to the advanced level. So you are actually gradually progressing to prepare yourself on the Duolingo test. Now, what's the final thing that you will get from me? Yes, the final thing that you get from me is the audio recordings. Yes, what are these audio recordings? These audio recordings are actually, these strategies or the way a particular question is solved. I have recorded this for the students. These recordings will actually help you when you get stuck somewhere. You can go to my audio recordings and listen to them and again start practicing. So this audio recordings is kind of a 24/7 trainer given to you. So let's say if maybe you're practicing during the night and you don't know, you're stuck somewhere, go to my audio recordings, listen to them and continue your practice. So these 5 things you get from me, and you are looking for Duolingo study material, you are looking for the training of Duolingo, please contact us. The numbers are mentioned below. Thank you.